In this video, we'll create a Buy X, Get Y discount. This type of offer lets you give customers a free or discounted item when they buy a certain number of products. First, go to Marketing. Then choose Add Discount. This opens a dialog where you can choose Buy X, Get Y. Start by adding the discount's name and description on the right side. Next, take a look at the discount settings. In the Customer Buys section, define how many items the customer needs to buy to get the discount. In this example, add 3, which means the customer needs to buy 3 items to get the discount. Next, choose the option Chosen Products. This lets you limit the discount to specific products. From the drop-down, select Product Group. Then search for the correct group and choose it. After that, move to the Customer Gets section. Here, choose Fixed Price, because 1 item will be free. Enter 1 as the discountable product quantity and 0 as the fixed price. In this same section, choose Chosen Products again and select the same product group, so the discount applies only to that group. Below, there are optional restrictions such as a validity period. For this example, these can be left empty. Finally, click the Save button in the top right corner. Now it's time to test the discount in the online store. Open the store in another tab and go to the selected product group. Add 3 products to the cart. Then open the shopping cart and check that the discount is applied correctly. And that's it. The Buy X, Get Y discount is ready and working in your online store.